HME is a diverse group of companies that designs, manufactures, sells, and services specialized communications for a variety of niche markets where they continue to be the market leaders. HME is a privately held corporation located in Carlsbad, California. Their newly built-to-suit, state-of-the-art facility is approximately 140,000 square feet, where 580 employees operate in 2 shifts, 7 days a week, in a non-union workplace. HME's Hospitality and Specialty Communications subsidiary provides industry-leading technological solutions for drive-through and dining areas, including headset systems, guest paging, and table location systems. The Clearcom subsidiary provides professional real-time communication solutions and serves the markets of broadcast, live performance, live events, sports, military, aerospace, and government. They formally began their lean journey in 2003 with a core leadership team consisting of the president and senior leaders in manufacturing and human resources who played an active role in deploying lean to the workforce. HME's core values are integrity, customer care, passion for excellence, commitment to quality and continuous improvement, innovation mindset, and a drive to win. They have now adapted AME's people-centric leadership framework into their Leadership Essentials training program provided to all managers, supervisors, and team leads. Some noteworthy recognition from customers include an Emmy Award received by Clearcom for the development of the cable intercom system, Supplier of the Year awards from McDonald's and Taco Bell, and the Best Places to Work in San Diego Award in 2013. This is no surprise based on the management style and the physical environment they have created. The assessors saw outstanding examples of strong cross-functional collaboration with high-functioning teams that produced among the best cross-functional processes, culture, and results that they have seen anywhere. Specifically, the pairings of supply chain with manufacturing, quality with design engineering, and sales with manufacturing. Congratulations to HME for the AME Excellence Award.